Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to 2A News Now, and I really appreciate you taking your time tuning into my video. Before I get on with the video, I want to apologize for not making a video for the past 3 days. The first day I was on grandpa duty, I had to watch my grandson. The second day, I was on grandpa duty for half of a day, and then after that, as you can see, I'm in a new location, which is the same house but a different room. So for the past couple of days, we've been painting, moving stuff from one room to another, and it's just taken a really long time. I don't know if I'm going to keep my background the way it is or change it up. I still haven't decided yet, but I threw this together really quick to make the video. Also, I've got to try to fix the lighting a little bit, and it's a little echoey in here too as well. But I'll take care of all that as soon as I can. All right, let's get on with today's video, and man, it's a good one. For the longest time, the Democrats have tried everything but the kitchen sink to pass gun control, including an assault weapons ban and high-capacity magazine ban, and whatever else they can throw at it and make it stick. And so they're going to try something they've tried before, but there's going to be a big push this year on it, is that the Democrats will move on guns by declaring firearm violence a public health emergency. Representative Matt Gaetz, a Republican from Florida, warned Thursday that the next move by Democrats to regulate guns is to declare that firearm violence is a public health emergency, which they'll use as they used during the vid emergency to limit Americans' freedoms. At a House Judiciary Subcommittee meeting on the ATF's assault on the Second Amendment, Representative Cori Bush, a Democrat from Missouri, argued that it's time to declare a public health emergency to prevent gun violence. In St. Louis and nationwide, gun violence is a public health emergency, and common sense regulations are a necessity, she said. She added, the country has more guns than people. There are approximately 400 million privately owned firearms in the United States, which has a population of 332 million. The U.S. is home to nearly half of the world's civilian firearms. At the same hearing, Gaetz warned that Bush's threat is something that Republicans need to take seriously. Why she and I disagree strongly on the issue. Her beliefs are sincere, and they are strong and they are powerful, particularly when she expresses them, Gaetz said. And so when she says to people, she wants to defund the police, and she means it. And when she says in the committee meeting that gun violence is a public health emergency, she means that too. And our fellow Americans know the impact of folks up here in Washington declaring everything and anything a public health emergency. It means you're more likely to be locked in your homes, deprived of your freedoms, less healthy, less safe, and less secure, and less able to live truly an American life. So know this, when the left talks about this as a public health emergency, get ready to see those enhanced authorities abused by the ATF, he said. The idea of a public health emergency for firearms violence has been kicked around for years, and Democrats this year have revived their push to take new gun control measures after new mass pew-pewing events. Last week, President Biden renewed his call for an assault weapons ban, a ban like Congress approved in 1994. Do something big, Biden urged Congress last week while visiting the suburban Los Angeles community. I'm determined to ban assault weapons and high-capacity magazines. The president also signed an executive order aimed at stiffening background checks to buy a firearm. So there you have it. That's going to be the new push for the Democrats. They're going to declare gun violence a public health emergency, just like they did with you know what. And this needs to be stopped, and stopped now, stopped quickly. It's just a constant fight, us trying to keep our Second Amendment rights. Please let me know your thoughts about the story in the comment section down below. And you guys have been really crushing it, liking, sharing, and subscribing, and hitting those post notifications. I really do appreciate it. And I invite everybody back to come see my next video.